Hello students, today I will teach loops in Java. So first we will learn what is loop in Java, then types of loop, and then we will execute some programs. So first is what is loops in Java. Loops are used to execute a set of instructions when some condition is true. Okay. Okay. So next is types of loop. So first type is for loop. Second is while loop. And third is do while loop. Okay. In this lecture we will learn only for loop. So first is for loop. The for loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. The next point is, if the number of iteration is fixed, we use for loop. Okay. The next is syntax for loop. For this we have some terminology. First terminology is initialization. Then second is condition. Then third is statement, and fourth is increment, decrement. Okay. So in syntax, for first we use initialization, then semicolon, then condition, semicolon, increment, decrement, and then close round bracket, then curly braces. Inside it we will have a statement, and then close the curly braces. So this is the syntax for loop. Let's do one thing. We will do one program for loop. Okay. For it I will write one program, public class for loop example. Okay. Curly braces, public static void main, then close the both bracket. Now I will write for loop inside it I will do initialization. Initialization is like, suppose I am taking one integer, so int I equal to 1. Okay, then I will write one condition, I less than or equal 5. Then next is I plus plus. Okay, so inside I will write one print statement dot print I. Okay, so close the curly braces. That's all. Let's save the program by class name for loop example dot java. Okay, first we will understand what output we are going to get. Okay, we have a for loop. Inside for loop we have initialization. Initialization is what? I equal to 1. So first I will initialize with one value, then it will check the condition. 1 is less than 5. Yes, 1 is less than or equal 5. Then it will go inside and print, and after printing it will print what? 1, because we have a value of I is 1, and then it will go here and increment. If increment, it will give 2, and after getting 2, again check the condition, 2 is less than or equal 5. Yes, then again it will print what? 2. Next, again it will go here and check, it will again increment, then it will give 3, and 3 is less than or equal 5. Yes, it will go inside and print 3. Again same process will occur for 4 and then 5, and after 5 it will increment by 1, then 6. It will check the condition, no, condition is not satisfied, then it will go out and program will end. Okay, clear? So let's save the program, and then we will go to the folder where our program is saved. There I will open command prompt and run the command javac for loop example dot java. Okay, then java for loop example. Okay, what I am getting? Main method not found in class for loop example, please define the main method. Okay, let's learn one more thing. One more thing is what? Here I had written only public static void main. We don't have any argument. So main method should have argument string args, otherwise it will not execute and it will give runtime error. Okay, clear? args. Let's save this program and run it again. Okay, then next. Okay, now what it is printing? 1 2 3 4 5. So that's all the for loop example. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe it.